In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert square brackets on your document using your keyboard, either on your computer or on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to insert these square brackets, as you can see here, at the beginning we shall insert the opening bracket, as you can see it here, and then at the end we shall insert the closing bracket. So I'll first go ahead and delete them so that I can show you how to insert them. To do so, we are going to use these two buttons that follow each other after letter P on your keyboard. So we shall use this and this. Now, the only thing you need to do is to go and identify where you want to insert the opening bracket, and I like to insert it at the beginning here. So to insert the opening square bracket, just go ahead and tap on the first key on your keyboard just after letter P, like that, and you can see it will be inserted. Then head to the end of your sentence or to the end of the word that you want to close. And now to close it with the closing square bracket, go ahead and tap on the next key that contains this square bracket. Now, it doesn't matter whether you can see these square brackets on your keyboard or not. If you go ahead and tap on the keys that follow each other after letter P, they will definitely insert square brackets. So if this video is helpful, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.